My first question is open to all. I saw the trailer. The show is set in Punjab. People going to Canada, they experience something because of that, and that's how it spreads forward. What was it about the premise of the show or your characters in particular that kind of appealed to your artistic sensibilities? Anyone can take the lead and start.
Well, for me, it was first of all the story, how it was written, and how Namit, who's our producer, who's also a great storyteller, when he narrated the story to me, like the first few episodes, I liked how he was telling the story. So that was very, very interesting for me. Kamna is one of those characters that I've never played before. She's very flawed, very outrageous, but makes sense. It made sense to me and was somebody that I would have liked to play. And the cast, they are great, and we had a ball of a time, and I'm so grateful that I got to work with all of them.
Okay.
I have never played a character like this before, so this was the exciting part for me. Challenging tha thoda, so yeah, that's what made me sign this project. And the passion of the makers. They were so passionate about it. वो ये story दुनिया तक पहुंचाना चाहते थे, so that's what.
Okay. And Sanjay sir, I have a different question for you. She mentioned that the character made sense to her. Now you play a character which is far away from you in real life. It doesn't make sense to you, but then how do you make your way around it? How do you become one with such characters?
इनफैक्ट आपका जो क्वेश्चन है वो मेन चीज़ वही है कि सबसे ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग बात वही है बिकॉज यू आर डूइंग समथिंग विच यू आर नॉट एक्चुअली इन रियल लाइफ एंड यू आर गोइंग टू प्ले अ कैरेक्टर सो दैट्स चैलेंजिंग एंड इट्स एक्साइटिंग एंड जैसे कि ये सो कॉल्ड हमारे लैंग्वेज में बोलते हैं ये नेगेटिव रोल है तो मैं कम से कम 20 या 21 साल के बाद ऐसा एक रोल कर रहा था सो दैट इटसेल्फ वाज आई वुड नॉट से एवरी रोल इज़ चैलेंजिंग बट ऐसा लगता है यार मज़ा आएगा ये करके ऐसा लगता है कि यार पॉजिटिव तो बहुत कर लिया और वो भी अच्छी बात है बट आप सडनली आपको लगता है कि आपने एक नेगेटिव चीज़ की है तो आई ऑलवेज फील अ नेगेटिव कैरेक्टर वेन एवर आई प्लेड और वेन एवर आई सीन ऑन स्क्रीन ऑफ एनी अदर एक्टर be it India, internationally, they always, I feel, have got a little edge in the sense कि they have a little more colorful, हाँ, थोड़ा है मज़ेदार तो रहता है तो मुझे तो I think so what you were asking कि what was the reason, obviously it's the script like we spoke earlier also, the passion of the director, the producer, the casting, such a beautiful ensemble cast and this was also one of the reasons that I was playing something which I had not played for the last 20 years.
Okay. And Moni, actors have this privilege, if I may say so, that they get to live life vicariously through their characters. They travel a lot, they mix with the people of different cultures, languages. While shooting for this show, how did being in Punjab, in the land of Punjab, assimilating from the culture from there, how did it add to your repository as an artist?
Well, the flavor was already there in the scenes, the script and the story. And our director, Divyanshu sir, happens to be from Punjab. So he was very good with the nuances. They say, God is in small things, like the offbeat. So he was very good in capturing all those things, adding that extra zing, that extra namak into all the characters that he was bringing to life. And I guess that really helped. And like I said, the ensemble is fantastic. When you see the show, everybody has brought in different flavors, different energies, and there is such great synergy and energy and bonding between all of us, both off and on screen. And our camaraderie and the friendship that the relationship that we shared off screen, I think it kind of reflected on screen as well. So yeah, all in all, it was a wholesome experience, and I'm very grateful that I got to be a part of it.
In fact, I'll add another thing कि this show has been casted very well.
Yeah.
आप जो देख रहे हो ये faces जो पोस्टर में है या ट्रेलर में, there are a lot of other people जो आप देख नहीं रहे हो अभी वो जब आप शो देखोगे इसमें कैरेक्टर का नाम है राठी है हरपाल है मोहित्रे they have been so well casted and they are so good when you do scenes with them you have to be on your toes because they have prepared themselves and come मैं जब इनके साथ सीन करता था मुझे लगता था साला तैयार हो गया है ये लगा हुआ है साला yeah no they are तो there in the field I'm saying कि people who are you are not yeah so उनके साथ सीन करने का definitely ऐसे लगता था कि ये तैयारी करके आया है तो मज़ा आएगा करने का तो that was the interesting thing I think so this show has been really obviously what you see this ensemble cast is there but other characters very very important.
Yes.
That's another thing of web shows, you know.
Yeah.
Everybody gets that moment,
Yeah,
you know.
100%.
फिल्म में क्या होता है, कभी कभी हर कैरेक्टर को वो, बिकॉज वो 2 घंटे की
Yeah, it's
होती
a very
है,
limited time,
2 घंटे 15 मिनट की होती है, तो सब कैरेक्टर का वो जस्टिफिकेशन नहीं होता है. वेब शो में हर कैरेक्टर का एक जस्टिफिकेशन होता है. तो वो अलग अलग एक्टर करने के काम करने से, यू नॉट सीन देम, यू डोंट नो, यू नॉट सीन देयर वर्क, बट वो पहले सीन में, पहले शॉट में पता चल जाता है कि
तैयारी
एक्टर में बात है.
And Shahir, coming to you, I loved your performance in Dopatti, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
And my question is that, you know, you have this very, how do I put it, innocent looking face, if I may say so, for the lack of a better word. But when you get into a character, your face lines change, you know, everything, you become one with the character. How do you manage to do that, and what's your process to approach such characters?
Thank you. That means a lot. Thank you so much for the compliment. But see, I try to live the moments rather than trying to enact the scene. I try to.
Also,
do
you're a very good actor, that's why.
No, so
Yeah, yeah.
I don't
It goes
feel
without saying.
I act. That's what I was trying to say. See, what I feel, it has to look effortless. So for that, you need to live the moment,
Yeah.
feel the emotion, experience it. It takes a toll on you emotionally,
Yeah,
maybe,
yeah, it
but that's the only way you can do. For me, that's what my process is, to do justice to the emotion, because and before that you have to understand what the writer or the director is trying to say through this scene. That's where the director comes in, and you know, your conversation with the writers or the makers of the show. And I always say that I'm a director's actor, so I would rather want to become and do what they are wanting to achieve from the scene, rather than put my brain and, you know, create something else out of it.
Okay. And you said that, you know, sometimes it takes a toll on you being in the moment, you know, to
Yeah.
deliver from that emotional space. Now it could be a train wreck of an emotion. How do you detoxify your system from that?
Go for a vacation. Just spend time with family, friends, you know, people who are there for you, who you actually can be yourself with. Yeah, it took me some time some time back when I was doing a show, and it took a toll on me for a very long time, and then to come out of it, it took me good 2 months, I'll say, to come out of it completely. Yes.
Okay. And my next question is for Sir and Mani, you both. Given the context of the show, you know, the society has largely changed in last 15-20 years because of the tech, because of the people, the way people interact with each other. We have a lot of options as friends, as you know, people who are in our social circle. How has this change in the dynamics of relationships affected the society at large, in your opinion?
When you say you have options as friends, that
In life,
you always
not in the show.
You can
No, in life,
choose your friends. So that option is never. That option has always been
Always
there.
there.
Always there.
Yeah.
तो पहली बात तो ये है कि you choose your friends whom you get along with, who gives positive energy. So you're surrounded. You want to be surrounded with people. You know, आप कभी-कभी किसी को मिलते हो और जब आपको रियलाइज़ करते हो कि ये नेगेटिव एनर्जी दे रहा है, तो स्लोली आप उसको यही बोलता हूँ कि ब्लॉक कर देते हो और something. तो you move yourself out and you feel that our energies are not matching, so it's best that you meet at a party or in a social, you're still nice to that person, but you're not friendly. But only with people whom you have the right energy and positive energy that you hang with.
I also truly know and believe that relationships per se, when they are not your blood relationships, are very organic. You can't force it. You can't force love. You cannot force hatred. These are feelings that you naturally feel. So only when you do get along with each other, or your value systems are the same, and you want to become friends with somebody, is when you do. It can't be forced. So that is something, I think it will be like this for time immemorial.
But people can
it
be
used to be
manipulated
like
into
that.
friendships
Then
or
you,
relationships.
if you understand, till the time you don't understand you're being manipulated, then you can be in your la la land and bubble. The day you understand it, I think it will be wise for you to move out of that
100%.
equation rather than carrying dead weight.
Okay. And Shahir, coming to you, given the title of the show, Ki Ab Hoga Insaf, what does justice mean to you as a person, or for the society at large?
People
Generally,
get what they deserve. Yeah.
जैसे हम पहले
Looking at the
discuss
bigger
कर रहे थे,
picture.
in a different way they had asked and everything. Do you get affected, or do you think you're vindictive, or so we had all thought that we move on. You know, it affects you at that time.
Yeah.
Basically, जो आप
Yeah.
ये पूछ रहे हो, I think so it's more or less to that. So I think so. अभी आप कर दो.
There are different ways of looking at everything. Like, you can't be the judge. You can't decide that this is wrong and this is right.
Yeah.
I feel so. I mean, you.
It's not tangible for sure.
Yeah,
It's
you have to
something-
look at things from different perspectives.
Yeah.
But yeah, as I said, people should get what they deserve. I
They
hope
should,
so.
but
Huh.
not all the
Yeah,
time.
I hope so. That's a hope.
For heinous crimes all over the world,
Yeah.
you know, sometimes
Yeah.
some people get away with it as well. And it has happened time
Yeah.
and again. So I guess, did you ask me that question? I don't know why I'm answering it.
No, you can please you can chip in.
But yeah, justice to me, yes, people should get what they deserve. But I also feel like you have to pay off your karmic debts, whether in this lifetime or any other. So somehow it will haunt you. So that is kind of that.
और मुझे एक और
makes
चीज़
sense,
लगती है,
yeah.
आप करो ना करो, वक्त वो
चीज़ का
आदमी
हिसाब
को
करता है।
Yeah.
सबक सिखा ही लेगा.
Yeah, true, absolutely.
आपको करने की इतनी ज़रूरत नहीं है, you know, वो कर हो ही जाता है.
Huh, and if you
अब नहीं होगा, बाद में होगा, in a different way होगा.
surrender, basically surrender to the Almighty and believe that He'll take care of things.
Okay. And Sanjay sir, coming to you, your character is quite mercurial in a lot of ways. You know, it's highly unpredictable. There's a violent streak that he has. To cultivate that, I mean, apart from the source material that you got in the form of the script, how did you go about exploring these avenues?
Nothing. I interacted a lot. I wanted to see what the director has in mind, how he wants to project this character. Because क्या होता है कि layer होता है, कभी-कभी आप negative किस you know वो किस level पे वो negativity बताना चाहता है and everything. And then you add your own thing also. So मुझे ऐसे लगा कि that's the reason you will see when you see the whole show. कि when you see the Goldie Hawn with his family and everything, ऐसे लगेगा ये बहुत ही normal आदमी है. It's only when he is doing his work where you see the dark side of his. So I've tried to balance it out कि वो you know being you know negative doesn't mean that every time you have to be कि आप you know एक normal आदमी भी negative रहता है. वो जब आम बात करता है तो वो ऐसे ही करता है. He doesn't have then.
Yeah, he's a loving father.
Yeah, loving father. Yeah. So there are moments where you see the real dark side of it. I think so. Then that character looks a little more, you know, scary and a little more powerful. He looks. So yeah, and Divyanshu was there to, you know, अभी आप जब एक सुर as an actor, you have to get the sur, and then when you give your thing to the director, you know he's there to correct you if you're going too high or too low. So I surrendered myself to Divyanshu, and I'm very happy the way this character has come.
Okay. And Moni, coming to you, cinema, television, OTT, which of the three is the most liberating medium for you as an artist?
All.
All of them?
Yeah, it's not the medium. I think it's always the story that you're a part of, and been lucky to be in all three mediums, and I hope and I continue to do good.
Okay. And for my final question, Shahir, what is it that you're chasing as an artist? Is it higher consciousness in terms of craft or wisdom or knowledge?
Whoa, as an artist.
Yeah.
जबरदस्त क्वेश्चन मिल रहा है.
And also raises questions. And if doing all this, I can be a part of that, I will feel that I'm very lucky. So yeah, raise questions.
Also, very many great characters.
Yeah, that is true. But I mean to say, leave an impact on the society because as a kid, when I used to watch cinema, it has shaped me into who I am today,
Yeah.
or how I look at things. So I hope we can give the right message out because a lot of people watch and get influenced even without knowing in their subconscious mind. They don't even know it, but you know, if I don't want to give any examples right now, but yeah, you know what I mean.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
And I'll take that further as a last question. We can take your answers as the closing notes, both of yours. He said that he wants to do some work which impacts the life. Now, an artist or art is the only place which outlives an entire civilization. We have seen that with prehistoric cave paintings and all. As an artist, what do you consider your responsibility as towards the society or towards your medium that you're working in?
Well, to begin with, be a good person. Then be a responsible citizen of the country, and I guess even if you can, I mean, आध्यात्म में ना सेवा बहुत ज़रूरी होती है. ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको अब सबको बता के या दिखा के करो. पर रिस्पॉन्सिबली आपसे जितना हो रहा है, अगर आप वो कर रहे हो, आप यू आर ट्रीटिंग एवरीबडी दैट यू meet in your life with respect, you treat everybody as an equal, you give in your 100% in whatever you're doing, you're present in your real life, in your family life, in your friendships, and you do the best that you can. I think that's in terms of movies also, if you do responsible work, I think that's all that I can do as a human being, as a person. And the day I feel that I have done all these things in a day, I think my work is done.
Okay. And sir, closing notes?
मुझे एक चीज़ लगती है कि पहली बात तो वो एक फॉर द ऑडियंस एंड एवरीथिंग, जब हम ये डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स करते हैं, दिस इज़ अ रोल दैट वी प्ले,
Yeah.
वी आर नॉट दैट पर्सन.
Yes.
ओके, सो वो सबसे ज़्यादा क्लैरिटी होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. अगर जैसे मैं गोल्डी सिखाऊँ इसमें बनाऊँ, तो वो मैं रियल लाइफ में नहीं हूँ ऐसे. दैट द स्क्रिप्ट इज़ देयर, बट सेइंग दैट ऑल्सो जो एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एज अ ह्यूमन बींग होता है, एज द सिटीजन ऑफ दिस कंट्री होता है, तो समवेयर यू हैव टू बैलेंस इट आउट, यू नो, एंड दैट इज़ अ स्टेज व्हेन यू गेट द offer of doing being part of a show or a movie or television or whatever. At that time you feel कि इसका शायद लोगों पर, बच्चों पे कुछ बहुत ही नेगेटिव असर हो सकता है. Then at that time you should take the decision and say कि यार it's on a thin line, I don't want to be part of it. So you should just, you know, not be part of it and everything. But sometimes you do parts which are, even they are enjoying it and everything, then it's fair. You may be doing a negative character, you may be doing that, that's okay, but without harming the society or anybody's religion. You know, you have to be careful of that. You shouldn't, mother, you have to be responsible towards that.
Okay. And Shah, you raised your mic, you wanted to say something?
No, I was just going to say that what he's saying is correct. Yeah. That's how you should approach your projects.
Okay. Perfect. So with that, we have reached the end of this conversation. If there's anything that I may have missed asking as a question or something that you would have loved to talk about, so please feel free.
Please watch our show. Ab hoga hisab.
Yeah, 100%.
18 June on Amazon.
MX Player.
MX Player, free.
Yeah.